Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic Voluminous Lash Paradise Eyeliner in Rose Gold. It is 0.05 fluid ounces. It's actually a really unique eyeliner. I've never seen a pink eyeliner, rose gold actually. They write on here rose gold or rose, whatever you take it as, potato, potato. The rose gold eyeliner is metallic finish. It has a felt tip liner and a rich water-resistant formula that dries for long wear. It has a flexible cone shape for control and allows for ultra-plush application of a subtle to sharp lines with ease. You can combine with black eyeliner right here, which is what I've got, the super slim L'Oreal. You can combine it. I'll show what it looks like. Increase the pressure on both of these different eyeliners to either make a thicker line or a thinner line. So I saw this and said I need to have it and need to try it out because I love fun different colors, and this one appealed to me because I really love rose gold on the eye. So this is what it looks like. 0.005 fluid ounces, and this is your tip, and I'm just going to draw it on my hand. Draw a nice little line that you can see. So you can draw it out like that. Let it dry a little bit. You can already see that it's got a nice shimmer, pink shimmer to it. It's kind of goldish. Looks really pretty with the eyes. And then big voluminous, I would suggest mascara to really make your eyes pop. So now that it's dried a little bit, I'm going to use the Infallible Super Slim eyeliner. And you can go in there slowly along the same line and match them up. If you want it heavier, just press a little bit harder. And you can kind of flick out a wingtip. But that essentially is what the look looks like on the eye. The pink really stands out against the black. The super black really makes it pop. So it's a super fun product. They also have mascara and blush that go with this that are in the same category of hues. But this is one of the most unique things I've seen on the market in terms of eyeliner. I'd never come across or even thought of an eyeliner. You can also do this just plain old rose gold eyeliner. Go with that. Go with a nude eyeshadow and just rock the pink liner and do a big lash look with that as well. So yeah, it's a creamy pencil liner that glides on easily for rich color that lasts up to 24 hours. It's long wear, waterproof, and no smudge. So I would give it about, I'd say 4 stars out of 5 because I haven't had a ton of experience with the product. But the Voluminous Lash Paradise in Rose Gold, super fun concept. If you can't have fun with makeup, what can you have fun with as a girl? I mean, there are sports, but yeah, sports are fun, but makeup is so much fun. Makeup makes the world go round. No, but I do believe that makeup should be fun, and this is definitely a little bit of a whimsical eyeliner to add to your arsenal. But don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching.